we're doing with our clients at Euro Pacific Capital. So, if you are interested in these opportunities, if you're interested in yield plays, then talk to one of the brokers at Euro Pacific Capital.
Yeah, I work out of the Arizona office. I met you in Houston, and at that time, a year ago or so, you were thinking about putting an office in Texas or Houston. Whatever happened with that idea?
Yeah, we were, but the cost of these offices with compliance and overhead, given the market climate, it just hasn't been the right time. I mean, a few years ago, I might have been able to do it because the environment was such that there was, we were getting a lot of new business. People were worried. But over the last year or two, there's been a lot of complacency. A lot of people don't have any money to invest. I mean, that's why, you've got, these discount brokers are seeing their earnings collapse because there's less trading. You're seeing record low viewership on CNBC. A lot of people are too broke to open up accounts with Euro Pacific. They don't have any money anymore. And the people that do, they're optimistic again. They're not worried. I mean, people tend to open up accounts with me if they're worried about the stock market, if they're worried about the Dow or the S&P, if the market just goes up every day and they're happy and they see no reason to worry, no reason to diversify abroad, no reason to listen to a Peter Schiff, I'm just going to listen to Morgan Stanley or UBS or Merrill Lynch. So given the last couple of years, there hasn't been a lot of a lot of business that would justify taking on the big overhead expense of opening up a new office. But, I think things are going to turn at some point. And so we might have a Texas office back on the table in the right market environment, which I believe is coming. But I'm just not going to gear up in advance of that and take on the overhead, especially the compliance.